Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I know you're doing well. I always talk about greatness in all kinds of ways. I totally believe you have greatness in you, but because of just the way we are brought up, life circumstances, our light has been dimmed and our greatness has really been smashed. You know, sometimes life can have a tint of struggle that you feel like you can't do anything. I remember a long time ago, I was part of a certain organization, and there is a time where you reach a ceiling and you can't grow any further. And if you stay longer than the time you have to be there, there is a diminishing return that starts to happen. There is a frustration, there is a hunger. You feel like your wings are being clipped, and yet you know they are growing bigger. So it in this lifetime, it's our role to find our greatness, and our greatness lies in finding who you were, and who you were has a purpose. It has a gifting in there, and once you find what makes you you, which most likely will be unique to everybody else, you know, whether first because of just the way you were built, then all the experiences you've accumulated through life, you are a very unique individual. And that uniqueness, I guess, in marketing will be your unique selling point. So that unique selling point is what you have to display. I had someone on a podcast saying, you know, that thing that makes you weird, do a lot of it, do more of it, because that is the real you. And I actually agree. I'm like, okay, you know, some of the things that make me as Mother Ego weird, I talk too much. I have a chatter mind. uh, and I do write light language, and I do speak light language. These are things that just came as I got awakened. So I have to do more of them, you know. So I am encouraging you to you find your uniqueness and do more of it. You have the permission, because that's where your greatness lies. I remember a long time ago I wrote a quote that your greatness is hidden within your uniqueness. So find that uniqueness, then you'll find that greatness. But that uniqueness is who you were. As always, this is Mother Ego. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.